Evan of the Mid-Island Custom Diecast YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. I'll let Evan describe it. According to Evan, this is an Ertl Replica Ford F-350 pickup that I turned into what's called a technical, non-standard tactical vehicle, NSTV, or improvised fighting vehicle, often used by Taliban or other militants in the Middle East, albeit in much smaller trucks. The F-350 is often seen in these parts of Vancouver Island, so if war ever came to our coast or the apocalypse was upon us, you might see more of these types of vehicles patrolling the streets. I attached a big-ass 3D printed gun on a custom styrene tripod in the box with a Mr. Clean-looking operator. The truck was stripped and repainted in Austin yellow by Splash Paints before getting full rust, corrosion, and dirt treatment, including slime in the ruts and corners of the box. Front and rear windshields are covered in diamond plate styrene and welded, CA glued, to styrene rods across the roof, hood, and front grille to form a one-piece bush bar armor plate for the driver and passenger. Side windows were left operable for additional firepower when needed. I really like the looks of this, Evan. This has a very post-apocalyptic, realistic look. Some builds are wildly over the top, and some builds look oddly realistic, which almost makes them more creepy. I really like it, Evan. Thanks for participating in this. Everybody check out Evan's builds on his YouTube channel. There are links to his social media accounts in the description for this video. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.